Hello everybody and welcome back. And today we're going to talk about one letter. Only one letter, the letter R, and more particularly how to pronounce it in French. It is so close to the English R, and yet it has this little je ne sais quoi about it. You can hear many examples of the French R in the words and phrases of our course, so hit the link in the description to check it out. A great way to practice is to gurgle. Try to clean your throat with the air from your lungs and make sure your tongue isn't moving. Start practicing with syllables like ra, re, ri, ro, ru, and then move to words like rose, grand, regarder, rire, rural. And if you want a challenge, you can try the name of the city, Arles. And don't worry if you don't get it right from the beginning. This one letter won't change the meaning of the word. It is also very close to the sound you make when snoring, and if you put your hand on your throat, you should feel it vibrate. Of course, it's not as strong as snoring, but with a bit of time, practice, and a bit of smoothing, you'll sound just like a French person. You can find most of these words and so much more on our French app. So click the link in the description, create a free profile today, and start learning French through conversations. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and share it with your friend. Thanks for watching et à bientôt.